DMX 320 is a machine with either comes in a format of 4+1 or full 5-axis. In the form of the machine that you've seen there, we've got 15,000 RPM BBT spindle nose, and it's got a 25 horsepower direct drive motor with electronic 2-speed gearbox. It gives us the benefit of having more power and torque at the lower RPM. Ordinarily, on a standard motor, we'd have full power from around 3,500 RPM, but with that specification, we've got full power from 1,500 RPM. So in reality, if a customer wanting to do stainless steel cutting, for instance tapping, which is generally at low RPM, then we could tap M20 and 316 stainless, no problem with that specification. So it's a good all-round performing machine, irrespective of customer's material. Generally on those machines, we've got very good swarf extraction, a belt-type conveyor, twin auger screws feeding in parallel to the y-axis. So that's coupled with up to different options from 20 bar, 50 bar, 70 bar through spindle coolant. Our standard is generally 20 to 30, but we can order in the other options. This particular machine is one of the few Dahlih machines which is all linear guideway, and it has a rapid traverse rate of 40 metres in the X and Y and 30 metres in the Z. This model in the UK has been quite successful, and the majority of customers who've got them have all got more than one machine. We've got the fan-out function of tilting working plane, which allows us to program one datum and then track it as we index through the angles, whether it's a tilt plane or the rotating plane. So in essence, the datum follows the angle and inclination of the part. This machine would be an ideal entry level into 5-axis machining. The control supports very well with manual guide I or full normal standard G-code functions. You can mix and match, so very easy to use. We can have it in your front room in 3 days' time. How's that?